Hello everyone, welcome back. Happy World Chocolate Day. Because it's chocolate day today, I'm going to make something special. It's chocolate chip cookies. Now this recipe is totally dedicated to two of my students. Now some of you must be already knowing, I've been a lecturer in a college for the last 1 year, and I've been lucky enough to have had so many good students in my classes. So this recipe is completely dedicated to Harman, who wanted me to do a chocolate chip cookie recipe, as well as her senior Nikita, who wanted me to do an eggless recipe for cookies. So let's jump into the ingredients and the process. Come on. Making chocolate chip cookies is pretty easy. You just have to do a little mixing, and that too with a hand whisk. That is more than enough. Even if you don't have a hand whisk, a wooden spoon would be more than enough. Now let's see what to do. We have our maida or our all-purpose flour in the bowl. We're going to add the salt and the baking powder. Also the sugars. Give it a good mix. Next, we add the curd, and the butter. Mix it well. This is the point where you can use your hands to continue the work. Add the choco chips. I'm using dark chocolate chips here, and it's up to you totally if you want to add more of the chocolate chips into this dough. No need to over knead, you just need to make it into a dough form, that's all. And after that we can roll it out and cut it into the shapes of our choice. I've always loved making chocolate chip cookies. Even last day when I made sugar cookies, the normal butter cookies. My son, he's a toddler, just 4+ years of age. He was asking me, Amma, can you make that other cookie for me in which you put those, small black dots? And then I was wondering, what is he even talking about? And then he only comes and tells me, maybe it is called chocolate chip cookies. That famous chocolate chip cookies are all throughout the world. I hope you all try to make chocolate chip cookies at your home and let me know how it went. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye bye.